Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you are experiencing some Bluetooth connectivity issues on your ZTE Blade V70 Vita smartphone. So if you cannot pair your Bluetooth device with your smartphone, then make sure that you first of all make sure that it's charged enough, and make sure to put your Bluetooth device into pairing mode. There is no one universal way to do that, but usually your Bluetooth device will have some sort of a home or power button that you're gonna have to press and hold for about like 5 seconds and make your device start flashing rapidly, well, just like these headphones. Make sure that your Bluetooth device isn't paired with another device around you, and that it's not automatically connecting with another device near you. Then go to your Bluetooth settings from the quick settings menu. Here, go to more settings, select your Bluetooth device right here and try to connect to it, or try to pair with it first. Now, if you are paired with your Bluetooth device but you cannot connect to it, what you can do instead is simply unpair your Bluetooth device by tapping the gear icon next to it and then selecting forget device, and then repair your Bluetooth device with your smartphone. Make sure that your Bluetooth device is actively being in pairing mode. And if you still cannot do that, then try restarting both your Bluetooth device and your smartphone. Now, to restart your smartphone, hold down the power button for a couple of seconds, then select restart and confirm. After the restart, try pairing or connecting with your Bluetooth device once again, and if you don't succeed, make sure that your device's software is updated to the latest version. Make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi. Go to System section in your settings, go to System Update and check if you have any available updates for your device. If you do, let your smartphone download it, install it and restart afterwards, then try reconnecting your Bluetooth device. And if you don't succeed afterwards, then let's reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings right here in the system settings, reset options, Bluetooth, reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. After that, you're gonna have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks, Wi-Fi network. Or Wi networks if you had multiple networks saved. So you're gonna have to re-enter the password to your Wi-Fi networks, but it's not important. What's more important right now is that you repair with your Bluetooth devices. So go back to Bluetooth, re-enable it, put your Bluetooth device into pairing mode, find it on the available devices list and pair with it once again. Okay, I think my headphones are simply not in the pairing mode right now. And so right now the issue should be resolved. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.